So the way we're playing it is 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 5, 5, 1. So before we do this bass line, if you're beginning to Seben, then please watch my Seben technique video where I go over the technique, I'll go over some basics, and I go over some tips on how to help you master the technique of Seben. Because we're going to be doing a lot of this. So before we play any note, we always do this. It helps us add a little flavor to the bass line. So for example, when we play this, I'm just playing an example. But anyways, the bass line starts like this. So we play the 1. So that's a D. So then this. So play 1, 6 sharp. But the way we play is like this. So I'm playing that note at the top on the E string with my thumb, then I mute the G string, then I play the 1 on the G string, then after I play that, I'll play the 4. So 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, then back to the 1. So so note at the top, mute the G string, then play. So then 1, then I'll play the 2. But before I play the 2, I'll do the same thing. So the 1, then so then again. Then we go play that again. So the 3. So 1, 1, 1, 3. Then we slide. So we're playing the 4 here. So 4, 4. So then the 3. But we add something else. So we add the so 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 again the 5 5 5 5 5 and then 5 again. This time we play so then same thing we'll play before, but this time we'll play again 2 3. The last time we do so again I'll do it again. So then the end is before we get to the actual 7 part. So you play 3 4 3 2 7 1. So 3 4 3 2 7 1. So for the 7 part we play 1 4 5 1 2 4 5. So then we'll play start with the 3. So I'm starting with 3, then an octave, 2 4 2 3. Then I do this. So I play I'm basically doing the same thing as this. So the 2 6 5, but I don't want to do it over here. I want to keep in the section here. So 2 6 5 5 5 5, then back to the 7. So back to the 2. So let me do that again. So then I'll do slowly. So 3 4 Then I'll do so that so I'm playing the 6. Then I play the 1. So 3 4 3, hammer on the 4. So so I'll play so I'll play so this is the 6. 3 3, so 6 3 3, and then back to so 2 6 5 5 5 5, but this time I play the 3 3. So after I play the 3, we'll play something like then. So I'm starting here, which is the 1, sorry, the 5. Then I go to the 1, that. So after you play the so I play so then again. So just practice that over and over again. Don't worry if you don't play exactly how it's played in a song or how I'm playing it. Just keep practicing this. That was it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below and like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.